looks just about done. So I don't know about you, but I'm sick and tired of instant oatmeal. And so on the last trip that I went on, I brought some of my own and it was really good. I loved it. It's easy to make. It is cheaper, more filling, more healthy, and I very much prefer it. So let me show you how to make it and you can try it out too.
Start with half a cup of old-fashioned oats. No need for instant here, old-fashioned will do. Then take a quarter cup of cinnamon granola, and then I like to add in a quarter cup of dried apples. You can substitute for whatever dried fruit you want, but apple cinnamon works really nicely together. Add in about a teaspoon of brown sugar, and then just baggie this up and bring it with you. To cook, add 12 ounces of water and start heating that up. Stir in the oatmeal mixture and cover until it begins to boil. Then you can remove it from the heat. If it's cold out, you're going to want to use a cozy like this to try and keep the heat inside. After 10 minutes, uncover and enjoy. The apple rehydrates so well, it's like having actual slices of fruit back in your oatmeal, and this just beats the pants off of any of that instant stuff. Enjoy!